Hey guys, assalamualaikum, it's Jana G. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to use cake mix that you find in the grocery, in the boxes, to make these delicious chocolate chip cookies. Chocolate chip cake mix cookies is probably one of the easiest desserts or snacks you can make with the kids. The ingredients are super straightforward and easy to find. I'm going to be using 1 box of cake mix. You can get this at any supermarket. I'm going to be using the yellow cake mix, or you can use the vanilla. You can even use the chocolate cake mix actually as well, up to you. I'm going to be using some oil, eggs, and of course the chocolate chips. I actually thought that I had picked up the semi-sweet chocolate chips, but apparently I picked up some chunks, but that's okay. So if you have the chocolate chips, you can use it. I'm going to be using this today, and it's that simple, guys. We're just going to combine everything, and then we're just going to put it onto our baking tray, pop them in the oven to bake for a couple of minutes. So I'm just going to add in the oil and the eggs. Going to whisk everything up, and now I'm just going to be adding in the chocolate chips. You can add as much chocolate chips as you like to this. And remember, you can use the chocolate cake mix as well. Next, what you're going to be doing is just simply putting them out onto your baking sheet. I'm going to be using this size ice cream scoop, but you can use a larger one if you want. Don't put them too close, because when they start baking, they're going to spread out. And you don't want them, meeting up and forming one huge cookie. So I'm going to pop this into the oven for about 12-15 minutes at 350 degrees. So our chocolate chip cookies are all finished. Now the bake time will depend on if you are a soft cookie lover or a harder cookie lover. Now husband enjoys soft cookies, so I left mine for about 12 minutes, and if you like it more on the crispy or solid side, you can leave it for longer. So it all depends on how you like your cookies. I even did 2 sizes. These are the ones that I did with the larger ice cream scoop, and we've got this size with the smaller ice cream scoop, so you guys can get an idea. If you do want to use the ice cream scoops and not sure how they're going to come out, this is the comparison right here. Smaller ice cream scoop versus the larger one. What you can also do too is, when you lay out the cookies, you can put some of the chocolate chips just on top, in case you enjoy seeing the chocolate chunks like how these are poking out here. You can also do that, so they would not be all hidden, and you can get nice chocolate chips looking aesthetic, pleasing to the eyes, if that's what I want to say, on top of your cookies. So you can do that as well. So as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you all really enjoyed this chocolate chip cookies video. Give it a try out. It's that easy to make with the cake mix, the boxes that you can get right in any supermarket. Pick it up, and this is so simple and easy to put together. Very few ingredients you need, and it's amazing. So be sure to give it a try it at home with the kids, and of course send me pictures. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys, and I will see you all in the next video.